I wanted to save all my spins for this video, so we're going to be doing 5 spins again today, over a few days, not too bad. And this is in preparation for fishing and golfing, where after golfing I expect to have a lot of spins to work with after that. So let's go ahead and get those 5 spins going, 14 through 18. And the first spin is a... looks like epic? No, rare. Oh, it's going to be a rare. All right, second spin. And it is another rare. I'm getting a lot of rares in this one. Well, I'm not complaining. Third spin. I got a lot of rares in my actual account too, so this is the third rare in a row. Okie dokie. Moving on to the fourth spin. And it is a common. And the final spin is a rare. Yeah, it's going to be a rare. 4 rares and a common. We'll put that to the board and see where we stand. And 18 parcels in, I have got a lot of rares. Matter of fact, 10 rares, 7 commons, and an epic parcel, giving me 6.2 cents per day. However, we have a super rent boost coming up. So the 32-hour super rent boost as of right now will get me 15 cents. And then I have to kind of cut this by 2/3. So I would get 0.041 plus I have to also cut this by a quarter. So I think it'd be something like 0.078 for the first day and then 11.4 cents for the second day. Might go for one more parcel, and I'll post that on the community page if I do. Yeah, so that's the current status. And now let's move on to the spins, and then we'll talk about today's topic on Microsoft Rewards. One of these days I'll record a 50. All right, let's spin the wheel. And the first one is a... okay, that happened. I got a 50. All right. I see what you're doing. No, this is like legit, like live. Okay, second spin. Let's go. It is a 1. So 51 today. And another 1. Okay. All right, fourth spin is a 6. So that puts me at 58 today. We got 1 more. And the final spin is a 2. That is 60 today. That is a really good day. I wish I had... if I can figure out how to make a YouTube short, I want to do something with that 50 spin earlier, because that was, yeah, probably the most coincidental thing I've ever had happen on this channel. All right, let's get to our topic today. So I really wasn't planning to make a video today, but I had to put this out and get it out to the masses. And yes, it involves Microsoft Rewards, and yes, I will have my end of day report too at the end of the day as well today, or at least 3 p.m. But anyway, I want you to see if you can see something a little different about Microsoft Rewards. Look at this. There's a 5-pointer. There's a 10-pointer. That's right. They've brought back their bonuses. I'm going to bring this over here. They brought back their bonuses. And I'm going to double check to make sure that this actually works. It looks like it does. Yes, they brought back their 5 10-point bonuses after cutting them to 1 and 2 points. They cut them by 80%. So it looks like Microsoft Rewards has decided to do that, but they kept the cooldowns. I think they kept the cooldowns. I'm going to double check that right now by clicking 2 at once here. So let's make sure. Okay, yeah, so the cooldowns are still there. But as far as like these little bonus cards here, they definitely have brought them back. You can double check to make sure that it shows up on yours as well. But yeah, that looks great. And they still have the prediction game as well. So I'm going to do the prediction game and see what we got. And it looks like it is, will another puzzle like Wordle go viral before the end of January? No, that's a little bit too specific. Do you think most people enjoy online puzzles or physical puzzles more? Ooh, I want to say online. That's a close one, though. Would most people like to solve a puzzle on their own or with a group? Group. Most people are very extroverted, so I very much expect it would be group. And then I would get the results, and I would go and claim my points here. Have any more points to claim? Does not look like it. Okay, so yeah, just talking about this, we have a new, we got the 10 points back. So that's pretty cool of Microsoft Rewards. That will change my rating a little bit, I think, on the next Beermoney reports, which is going to be coming out actually this the following Tuesday. So not tonight, but this next Tuesday. So good job, Microsoft Rewards. If this keeps up, definitely. Yeah. I know that some of you are going to mention that the edge points are not going to show up again. And yes, however, that is somewhat sad that we're not going to get the 20 points on edge again. I would argue that the predictions that I did, the prediction game, actually is sort of an upgrade because if you remember, you get 15 points for the 3 that you complete, basically the 3 questions just for answering them. And then you get a bonus based on if you're correct or not. And even if you are correct on 50% of them, that will amount to 7.5 additional points for 22.5. So actually, we came out about 2.5 points a day from this. So that's not too bad, actually. Now, granted, that is just like chump change. And I cannot say for certain that we're going to have this every single day, the 5 and 10 pointers. For all we know, it could be things could change like immediately. But at least for now, it is looking like Microsoft Rewards is back on the up and up. And that might indicate a rating change for me because of that. And at the end of being about 10 days in, here is where we're at. I have cashed out another $6 or so, and on Beermoney, and that is because I got this offer from Beermoney that if I installed any Besitos game app, I would get 500 coins. However, when I installed it, the chances of me completing it in the 6-day period that they had asked of me was next to zero, at least not without paying a lot of money. So I'm basically just playing it out, and if I make it, I make it, but I'm like not even halfway, and I have like 3 days left. So it was like reach level 68 after 6 days, and I'm definitely not anywhere close to that. I'm at like level 11. So that's not going to work out, but yeah, the $5 did allow me to cash out too. And so, because of that, plus 50 extra cents on 1Q, I am now sitting at $48.87. $50 is going to be a bit of a milestone because that is about the point where I can start talking about secure gift cards and start using it. Not secure gift card, I'm sorry, secure credit card. And we'll talk about different secure credit cards that someone can build from the ground up with their, with no credit. And we will talk about that coming up on I think the following week. I would say I would want to start shopping around for it because we are getting pretty close. So yeah, believe it or not, you can actually get a secure credit card for as low as a two-figure amount on the bank. So right now, if you're wondering where all this money is, it is currently hidden in a checking account. You can just get any brick and mortar checking account from just about anywhere. There are plenty of brick and mortar places, credit unions especially, that offer free checking accounts. The one I'm using right now is Fifth Third Bank, and Fifth Third Bank has that free checking account, and I've had it for a while. You can check, I believe Bank of the West also has one with a required 1 cent minimum deposit per month. So that's pretty easy to get, in my opinion. If you want to, you can kind of like, if you have the money, of course, put like the minimum balance on a bigger bank account like Bank of America, and then just add that on to it and then just take it out as needed. So there's things that you could do with it, or you could, if you have good credit, use an online banking account. But I'm trying to start from scratch with this. So yeah, the 4887 is currently in a Fifth Third Bank account. And the other thing I want to note before I sign off, you're all seeing this here. I have $29.65 in Benjamin. That is over the $25 limit, but I haven't cashed out yet. And the reason why is because I have not gotten the first cash out yet from Benjamin, and that might have to change things if I don't. So I'm waiting on that. They said that they should give it to me by the end of the day tomorrow. So I will update you all in the next report on that. Probably Monday is when I'm going to do it. So I should have like weekly reports ready on Monday. I will have the end of week 2 and how I've done with those. And yeah, that's going to be it, everyone. So if you like this video, please like, and of course, comment. Let's see, what's the question I want to do for commenting today? You know what? If you are part of any of these apps, tell me your progress right now. Tell me your progress that you've had so far in 2024 in your Beermoney engine. I would love to know. So yeah, comment, and then of course don't forget to subscribe to Beermoney Engine. And I will see you all next time. Mac Adam review on Saturday, everyone. Bye.